advantage for him.
As we saw earlier, the course record here, 1 hour, 18 minutes and 4 seconds for the men. Women's time, well, Manuela Schar's best time here is 1:28.17. That's the course record there.
That is the course record here as well. It looks like Susanna's projected time is just off of that right now at a high 1:28, but she hasn't hit those hills on the second half yet. The first half of this race tends to be significantly faster for the wheelchair division than the second half.
Coming through Wellesley, all 3 races right there. And the women's race to start in about 2 minutes. So then we'll have all kinds of stuff. If we don't have enough to talk about, we'll have all kinds of things to talk there. Carrie?
Well, John, you know, just looking back at that first mile at 4:37, you know, that's 2:01 pace, as Matt knows, and he's going to chime in here. But listen, we have a number of athletes in there at 2:01 pace, and that to me is a little nerve-wracking. And, you know, Matt, I've watched you race this time and time again in other marathons. Is that too fast for the majority of this group? Those downhills, they come talking to you later on in this race.
The only person on this field that could run that time is Kipchoge. But I don't even know if they realize that they're going that fast. They're looking at 4:37, but do they know that's 2:01 pace? And they're not being patient. We're going to see who is able to hold the pace back, but draft another back and then see what happens as the race unfolds.
Gatitam Ghebreselassie, the world champion, as we get ready for the women's start. Certainly among the many favorites. You see Sarah Hall right there. Lona Salpeter in the bright pink shoes. She will be a contender. Champion as we get ready for the women's start. Certainly among the many favorites. You see Sarah Hall right there. Lona Salpeter in the bright pink shoes. She will be a contender.
And that's Edna Kiplagat running her 6th Boston Marathon. She's a 2-time winner here.
The world champion as we get ready for the women's start. Certainly among the many favorites. You see Sarah Hall right there. Lona Salpeter in the bright pink shoes. She will be a contender.
And that's Edna Kiplagat running her 6th Boston Marathon. She's a 2-time winner here. 43 years old. I mean, the list goes on, but we have to keep our eye on her.
She is a running Masters record waiting to happen, and she set that Masters record here last year. I love that there's 90 clocks around this place, but you guys all still start your own watch.
But I love that Des is as chill as she always is.
Des Linden, yeah.
I know that there's a fire burning inside of her, but she's just hanging out, starting her watch. And, you know, Des, speaking of her, she's one of those returning champions, and she said she feels this energy this year. She knows that we are celebrating 10 years. We are also honoring those 10 years, and she wants to have a really epic day today.
Yeah, she says she's feeling the Boston magic. They have really large elite fields here in this race. They really do. You know, there's 60 runners deep. Now, not all of them obviously can win, but that's still a very large elite field.
And look at how different this